Hello guys, welcome to Parallel Media once again. My name is Gulshan Shah and today we are going to discuss about a notice which is published by NBE on 6th of June 2021 regarding FMG students, foreign medical graduates. So according to this notice, it's the extension of cut-off date of submission of deficient documents for the FMGE July 2021. So this is the extension of the date of the deficient document to be uploaded. The previous date was 6th of June 2021. Now the students are getting some extra time, so you needed to check, you needed to rectify if there is any deficient document which you didn't able to upload previously. You are getting some extra time till 10th of June 2021. You have to upload that, then only you will be eligible for FMG exam. The next thing is on which portal you have to visit and do all these uploading. You have to upload your documents. It's the same portal from where you have fill up the form. So it's the same online deficient portal, which is exam.netboard.edu.in/fmg.php. So it's the same portal you have to visit and you have to upload your deficient document if it is there. Right now, one suggestion from our side is you can't take this as the extension of your examination date. We know that FMG students are also trying to get their exam postponed, but this is not such kind of notification, and don't you take this notice as it indicates that the examination date will postpone. There is no such official notification, so I would suggest to just wait for the official notification. If any official notification comes, then only you have to rely on that notice. Otherwise, you have to just target your current examination date and you have to prepare accordingly. So that's all for today. One more thing, some of the documents which you needed to rectify and which you needed to check whether you have uploaded or not. First one is your registration. First one is your this medical degree certificate, which could be original or provisional. If you have original, you can upload it. Otherwise, you can upload the provisional one, provisional pass certificate. The second one is eligibility certificate, either issued by MCI or NMC. The third one is proof of citizen, Aadhaar card, passport, anything you can upload. So you can just check what are the proof of citizen in the documents, the list of documents given in the information bulletin. So these are the documents which you needed to upload. If you didn't able to upload any of them, if there is any deficient document, you have to upload that. Thank you so much.